Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play 2 players on FC24 Nintendo Switch. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up a 2-player match on FC24, so you and your friend can play together on the same console. All that you need is either 2 separate controllers. So for example, the Switch Pro controller, one assigned to player 1 and another one assigned to player 2. Or, if you don't have standalone controllers, you will be able to take apart the Joy-Cons and use the left Joy-Con as player 1 controller and the right Joy-Con as player 2 controller. So first, if you need help setting up the controller, go back to the home screen of the Switch and access the controller settings, as you can see highlighted here on this bottom navigation bar. Inside of controllers, you will get all the instructions needed to pair additional controllers, or assign the left Joy-Con and the right Joy-Con to player 1 and 2 respectively. The only requirement to play with multiple people on the same Nintendo Switch is that each player has one controller assigned to them. So this is why I recommended you do this process beforehand, before going into the game. Once this is done and you assign one controller to everyone who's going to play, you can have up to 4 people on the same match. Just go back into FC24, and usually to set up a custom match for you and your friends, you would go over to Kickoff. There might be other game modes available where you can play with 2 players, but for this video, I'm going to showcase how you can do it for this game mode. I recommend that you take your own time and you explore the other options, but Kickoff is wonderful for a quick and easy match. So just go in there, and you will be able to assign one controller to the home team by dragging it to the left, and then one controller to the away team by dragging it to the right. So just assign the controllers accordingly. You might have to assign a user account to the controller that you connected to your Nintendo Switch. But once this is done and you set them up on the home team and the away team accordingly, you will be able to start the match with up to 4 players, and you can play FC24 together on the Nintendo Switch. So that's basically how you can play 2-player on FC24 Nintendo Switch. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.